Winter is coming. The wind, the snow, the frost are about to turn on. On November 4th, I have prepared and polished my BMW M340i to make room for 3 different ceramic coatings. This should be an unfair matchup. I present you the pro-only 7-year ceramic versus clean by pan 3-year versus DIY detail 3-year graphene coating. Today you will witness the initial hydrophobics, the first wash, and my conclusion on the ease of use. Welcome to the best real-world ceramic coating test. I have applied 3 different ceramic coating on my personal car. The first one being the clean by pan 3-year ceramic coating. Next up, we have the 2-layer system available to pros only by Bola solution. So this is a 2-part process. And lastly, I have applied the DIY 3-year graphene ceramic coating. So today is gonna be the first wash. We're gonna use the clean by pan shampoo, right? So it's gonna be the first wash, the water beading test, and I'll give you my thoughts on the application. So you guys have been asking for real world tests on full-blown ceramic coating, something I have not done before. We have done spray sealant, we have done spray and rinse, we have done tire dressing and many more product testing, product comparison on the channel. You guys seem to like those very much. So for this upcoming winter here in Eastern Canada, we have a really harsh winter, hot, cold, freeze, salt, calcium on the road. So that's gonna be a massive challenge for those products. So let me give you a breakdown of the application really quick, because in my opinion, the application process is very important. Maybe more important than the longevity. So yeah. So Bola solution, ceramic coating. This is a pro-only 7-year ceramic coating, supposed to be scratch resistant or light marring resistant and self-healing. So we're gonna test that out. I have polished my car obviously before the application. I did a really thorough job. The first layer is really thick. It's a wipe off, immediate wipe off. Here you can see the sweat applicator. It's as hard as a box, right? And the second layer is called the Aquamax Shield, very easy to use. So the application is very in-depth. It's not for a beginner. This is why it's for the pros only. We'll see the performance of this product, so I'm really excited about that. The clean by pan 3-year ceramic coating, very easy. I recommend that when you apply it, you let it evaporate for at least 2 minutes. Look out for the product to evaporate. You're gonna be left only with the rainbow, the tiny rainbow effect. Much easier wipe off, very slick. You almost wipe off nothing, it's all evaporated. So very excited. We're gonna have the 8-year at some point on the channel. And lastly, the 3-year DIY graphene coating. Again, I can't express how easy it is. I mean, anybody can do this at home. If you follow Ivan's instruction, if you've watched the DIY videos, we're gonna use the clean by pan shampoo. This is 2 ounces for 4 gallons of water. So that's gonna be around 60 mLs. Kiwi, strawberry kiwi maybe. So let's pour that in the water. And to make it even more fun, I'm gonna do 1 ounce as a pre-wash or a pre-rinse in the foam cannon. It's been 10 days, so I applied the product, the ceramic coating, on November 4th. Today is November 14th. So we have the panty organizer ceramic on the driver's door. Then we have the DIY on the rear door. And the Bola solution on the fender, the rear fender, the bumper as well, the whole bumper. So just to make myself clear, we have the Bola solution pro only ceramic coating bumper, rear fender. The rear door is DIY 3-year ceramic coating, and the front door is panty organizer 3 years. So that's a panty organizer shampoo.
Oh, wow. Only 1 ounce. So do we have a soap repelling with this? So none of those coatings are repelling the soap like crazy. So there you have it. Let's start the rinse process. That's gonna be pan. DIY. Pan, DIY. And the Bola. So let's do car wash. Really love the scent of pan soap. Smells amazing. Very slick as well. It's crazy. DIY. So I did 2 passes with the mitt on this side. Make sure it's really clean. All right, so let's give you a shot in the shade on the pan product. The pan 3 year is just on another level. Want to be respectful to everyone, but this one is on another level. DIY. The Bola. Bola. DIY. Wow, that's really hard to tell. The pan won't stick. There's no pulling around the water jet on the pan side. Maybe a little bit on the DIY. So the DIY maybe not as hydrophobic, a tiny bit less. We'll test out on the other side of the car just to make sure, double check if the application is the same, is well done. So that's the Bola Pro only. So very hydrophobic. So there you have it. It's the first wash, guys. So, all right, so that's the pan product. Let's do the DIY. DIY. And the Bola. More of a sheeter. When it gets flooded, more of a sheeter. The drank portion of the Bola. The DIY. The pan product. All right. So what is my final thoughts? Well, I have to say that the Pan Organizer 3-year really surprised me in terms of water beading. Wow, what a great show of water beads as promised by Pan Organizer. This was the best water beading on this current test. Probably the best water beading that I've seen in person. And then the DIY 3-year ceramic coating also impressed me, slightly less hydrophobic. Water was pooling a little bit for a very short amount of time near the water jet. But I remind you that the 3-year is their entry-level ceramic. So you could look into the 5-year, into the 8-year at some point, or even the C6 Hydro. All right, and then the Bola Solution Pro Only 7-year ceramic coating, resistance to scratching, and auto healing properties. Really nice beading, but not as good as I would have expected from a Pro Only $350 ceramic coating. But nonetheless, very good. We'll see in the future how it does. The water beading might not be the priority for this coating. What do I know? And the slickness, guys, the DIY being the slickest product here, DIY detail. Then the Pan Organizer 3-year was also slick. but I have to give it to DIY 3 year for the slickest product. So my friends, stay tuned. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't. We'll keep an eye on our ceramic coating during this winter, so you'll want to check it out. All right guys, to get back to the panel organizer shampoo, this car is not coated. There's a spray sealant on it, which is getting old, at least a month and a half old. As you can see, not super hydrophobic. Quite a bit of dirt. This car has been sitting outside. It's been a real daily driver. So the clean by pound reminds me of Armor Detail Shampoo Plus. If that's your jam, you're gonna love the pan product. Obviously, it's very unique, but it has a fruity scent. It's very thin soap consistency. The right amount of suds. And as you can see, there's a definitive line here where the white is whiter and where the dirt remains. So the cleaning power is there. This car was not pre-washed. It was actually rinsed with the garden hose right here. So one more shot for you guys. I'm really curious about the durability of those 3 ceramic coating. And now check out another real world test about spray sealant right here.